Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us on today's webinar in which we'll talk about improving your team's productivity with Seavus Project Viewer. My name is Stefan, and today we will be discussing about the productivity benefits your company can and will experience from implementing Seavus Project Viewer. Alongside me is my colleague Bojan, which will be presenting Seavus Project Viewer in more depth. In order to save you valuable time while highlighting the most important benefits, we have made the agenda even shorter, covering the aspects planned in only 15 minutes. We have already shared the agenda with you. Three main topics we will be focusing today will be project viewers and their usage, getting project information using the powerful reports option, and increasing collaboration using import and export features. I would like to leave the floor to Bojan. And Bojan, if you can please let us know what we may have missed out on so far in Seavus Project Viewer.
Hello, everyone, from my side as well. Thank you for attending this live Seavus Project Viewer webinar. As my colleague Stefan said before, today we're going to cover the 10 most views from the Seavus Project Viewer based on our client's experience. Then how you can get project information using the powerful reports option with the dashboards, resources, and costs, and how you can increase your collaboration using the import-export features, which I will show you how you can import any project files from OneDrive and export tasks in MS Outlook. For this reason, I'm going to switch to Seavus Project Viewer, and I'm going to open from the file menu, and from open option, I'm going to open one software development file, which is best suitable for this webinar. From the views that I'm going to cover, I'm going to start with the Gantt chart view, the most used view from the Seavus Project Viewer. This is the Gantt chart view, and what I would like to mention here to stress out is that as we have based from the experience of our clients, we can say that all of the users, the actual and potential users from my MS project will not need any assistance, and no learning curve is needed for them to be able to use the Seavus Project Viewer, since everything is developed with the familiar look and feel as the Seavus Project Viewer. In the Seavus Project Viewer as in MS Project. As you can see here on the left side, we have the details view on the all the tasks, and where you get all the details and all the general information for the those specific projects. As you can see here, we have the start option and the start information, finish information, predecessor resource names that are attached to. And what I can say here is that every project here, it consists of the add new column option, which allows all the users to add different columns based on the information they want to see. So basically, they can add every information that they require by this specific field. On the right side, we have the familiar MS Project view on the Gantt chart with all the details, where you get information about which are the milestones from the tasks, which are started, in progress, finished, and the relationships between the tasks. Then the second view that I'm going to present to you is that the network diagram, which shows all the specific information from the network diagram. You can see that it has the same look and feel as Microsoft Project, which does not require any additional assistance of using it. Every relationship between the tasks and how they're integrated between themselves is network diagram view. That's the second view. The third view that I'm going to present is the task sheet. Have all the tasks that you have in the specific project. You have them here with all the details. I would like to repeat here that with the add new column, you get the specific information, and you can customize what kind of details you want to see. The fourth view would be the task usage. If you want to get information about how all the tasks are being used in a specific project, information from task usage, you get all of the task information here, the work details, duration, start, finish, and on the right side, you get how many hours on a specific task. The fifth view would be the timeline view, which gives you the opportunity to get information about important tasks and with their duration and how they fit into one schedule. The look is the familiar, you have the familiar look and feel as in Microsoft Project. The sixth view would be the one that is used for getting information which of the tasks is being late or not, is in the critical phase, is in progress, is being done, and how much how much of the percentage of complete is being done. That would be the tracking Gantt, where you get the task information on the left side, and on the right side, the information that I mentioned before. So basically here you get the summary tasks, you get the critical tasks, you get the tasks that are in progress, and the tasks that are being done. For example, this one, unit testing complete, from this specific unit testing task. And the seventh view that I would like to present is the resource graph. Here we selected the product manager as a specific resource where you get information about how the resources are being, whether they're overlocated or allocated. The ones, if they're one that there is one resource that is overlocated, it can be seen with the red color, and with the blue color would be that situation where that specific resource is being allocated normally. And moreover, I would like to present you the resource sheet, where you get, if you want to have information about all of the resources that you have in a specific project, you can see that those resources in the resource sheet, where you get information about the name of the resource, the type, the material label, initials, and so forth and so forth. Also, I would like to mention here again that you have the add new column option. For example, I want to add here the costs, and when I insert the cost, you get the cost information about these resources. Moreover, the ninth view that I want to present is how the resources are being used. So that would be the resource usage option. You can see all of the views that I have presented now have the same look and feel as MS Project, which is important for all the users that are adapted in using Microsoft Project. Here you have all the resources, and on the right side, you get information about their usage. As you can see here, you get details about, for example, the product analyst manager and all the tasks and resources that are being done. When you want to get information about the last but not least, what I would like to present is when you want to get information about the team, its activities are being planned, and the activities of your colleagues and team members. It can be seen in the team planner. You get all the resources and the information about the tasks that they're attached to. Basically, here on the right side, you can see what are the dates of their assignments and how much of that is being done.
According to our agenda, can you let us know more about getting some more detailed info about our current project we may be working on in Seavus Project Viewer?
Of course. Stefan, what is really important here is that we have developed the reports exactly for that specific need when the team members and the project leaders have the need to get general information and reports about their project that they're working on. It can be found in the reports field. You get information. You have 4 different dashboards about the cost overview, project overview, upcoming tasks, and work overview. Then you have the resource overview sheet and 3 additional reports for the cost overruns, resource cost overview, and task cost. For this specific reason, I'm going to show you 4 of the reports. The first one would be the cost overview. When you select this specific dashboard, you get information about the cost of the project, the remaining cost, or how much you have to spend more on the project, and the percentage of complete. One would be the project overview, where you get specific information about the project and how much percentage of how much is being done, top level tasks information, and also late tasks option on the right side. From the resource overview, information about all the resources and different information for them. For example, here about the actual work, the remaining work, the baseline work. And from the costs, I'll present to you the where here you get information about all the task cost variance and the resource cost variance.
Great. And I'm sure many of our viewers would be importing and exporting features in Seavus Project Viewer. Can you please let us know more about that?
Indeed. Basically, all of the users of the Seavus Project Viewer are impressed by the import-export option, which gives you an opportunity, for them to have a collaboration between different softwares. The import-export option can be found in the file menu, and from the import-export option here. What the users can do, Stefan, is that they can import from, when they select the import from option, in the Seavus Project Viewer, they can import from XLS or XLSX format, then from the Microsoft Project Server version 2003, and also from 2007, 2010, 2013, tasks from MS Outlook, SharePoint, and OneDrive. And also they can export the project information in Microsoft Excel and CSV document, XML data format. Also, they can export the tasks to MS Outlook, the project information to a .mpp file format, and also PPT file format, which is the PowerPoint presentation, and the HTML document. I'll show you how you can import specific information from the OneDrive. Basically, you select the OneDrive option. Here, I have to log in to the specific account. You have to log into your account, and what you can do here is basically you sign into your OneDrive account, and then you proceed to all the files that you have in your OneDrive. I select the specific file that I want to import, and the Seavus Project Viewer will import the selected file in the Seavus Project Viewer. Import-export option, and for the export option, you get the specific feature which allows you to export the information in the task tab in MS Outlook. You basically select the specific task that you want to import, that you want to export to MS Outlook, go to the import-export option, select the export to option, and when you select MS Outlook, you simply click OK, and the specific task will be MS Outlook.
Thank you, Boyan. And it seems the 15 minutes we promised you have passed. I want to thank Boyan, and I want to thank you all for attending this webinar, and invite you to visit our website, seavusprojectviewer.com. You can get a free 15-day trial of our software and get a hands-on experience yourself.